Some of the new inventory this week, new arrivals.
My notes.
The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS convertible, black over black.
It is.
Correct 350 cubic inch V8 with that sinister good looks.
Mm-hmm.
Sinister good looks.
Got the RS package on it.
Yeah, which makes it good.
I think so.
Turbo Hydromatic 350. SSBC Force 10 power disc brakes.
Okay.
Wow.
That's a title.
Mm-hmm.
And factory AC car.
There you go.
Kind of surprising for a convertible. Didn't see a lot of convertibles in the 60s and early 70s with factory AC because you had a convertible, so you didn't really need it.